These amazing people are trying to get the stranded baby whale into the ocean. But we are talking about a whale. Even though it's a whale calf, but it's still quite heavy for 3 people. It takes a lot of courage to even think of dragging such a big fish. These people are really heroes to me. They have to do it carefully without hurting the whale in any way. She can't wait to get back into the water. Such a wonderful sight to watch. She swims back to her home. Thanks to these amazing, wonderful people. She is free to go home.